Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Coinbase wallet to a third-party platform, such as Lssc. We will go through the essential steps to ensure a smooth transfer of your digital assets. It is crucial to follow each instruction carefully to avoid any issues. This guide will help you understand both depositing to and withdrawing from such platforms. First, you need to get the correct deposit address from the Lssc platform. Navigate to the Mine or Recharge section within your Lssc account. Choose the exact cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, for example, Lssc, Polygon, or Bitcoin. Carefully copy the unique wallet address that appears. This address is where your funds will be sent. Next, open your Coinbase wallet application. Tap on the Transfer or Send Crypto option. Paste the deposit address you copied from the Lssc platform into the recipient address field. Select the same cryptocurrency and network you chose earlier. Enter the amount you wish to send, review all details carefully, and then confirm the transaction. To withdraw funds, go to the Withdrawal section on your Lssc dashboard. In your Coinbase wallet, find the Receive option for the specific cryptocurrency, like Lssc, Polygon, and copy that address. Paste this Coinbase Receive address into the Lssc withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, input any required transaction passcode, and confirm the request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.